let's talk about an exercise called the bent knee fallout. Now, this exercise can be used for a variety of reasons, whether it's to improve control and stability with some hip motion and being able to isolate the leg motion from the pelvis, or being able to improve some stability at the core, being able to keep that pelvis still despite the leg moving. So this really has a couple of different purposes, but hopefully you find this video helpful. So what you're going to do is start by lying on the floor. The first example that we're going to show is with both knees bent, just because this can decrease some of the stress or strain that you may feel in your lower back and is a little bit easier to control. So while you're lying down, move one leg up at a time so that your knees are bent and feet are on the floor. Think about pulling your belly button back down towards your spine just gently to control your motion, and then you're going to let your knee come out towards the side, nice and slow and controlled, only going as far as you can without the pelvis moving along with the leg. You're also going to see this done on the other side. Again, notice that the pelvis is nice and stable and just the one limb is moving. Now what you don't want to do is go so far that the whole pelvis starts to rock with everything. So the pelvis needs to stay nice and still. Another thing we don't want to do is letting that leg literally fall out to the side. It just needs to be controlled. If that position isn't comfortable for you, you can try this with your legs straight. Then you're just going to have one leg bent and move out to the side. Again, nice and slow controlled movement, thinking of pulling your belly button back down towards your spine just gently, nice and slow and controlled. This is a little bit harder to control the overall movement, but may be a more comfortable position for some.